I want you to tell your answer and explain it, like why the answer.
Yes. Okay.
Hi folks, කොහොමද? ඉතින් ඔයත් මේ දවස්වල ඉන්ටර්විව් එකක් කෙනෙක් හම්බලාගෙන එන කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්, fresh graduate කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්, එහෙම නැත්නම් experience තියෙන developer කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝටම ගොඩක් ලොකු advantage එකක් වෙයි කියලා හිතනවා මේ වීඩියෝ series එක. මීට අමතරව interviews වලදී අහන main concepts explain කරලා මම සිංහලෙන් වෙනම වීඩියෝ series එකක් කරගෙන යනවා. ඉතින් ඒකත් බලන්න. ඒ වගේම mock interview එකට participate කරන්න ඕන නම් පල්ලෙහින් comment එකක් දාන්න. channel එක subscribe කරලා දිගටම set වෙලා ඉන්න.
So, use okay, what do you want?
You can yeah, add this script. But without running, you have to tell me the answer. Then we can check the output later.
Okay. So without running, to be honest, bro, I don't have answer to this.
Like, can you explain what's happening here, so step by step?
Okay, to be honest, I don't have deep idea, but I'm just guessing and telling. So we are assigning x as a 1 and y as a 2 for A. And B, we are assigning B for A. And this one, B, X. Okay, B is A means like 1.
Don't think it from the like mathematical perspective. It's not that kind of a question. Like we are here like exploring a concept in JavaScript. Like it's related to objects, so it is basically about objects.
Okay. Okay, so basically, A is A is for 2. Okay, A is 2 and B is also 2.
Hmm. Try once.
Uh,
Try one more time. Because it's an object, right?
okay, so basically, yeah, it's object. So we are assigning 2 values for A. So when we are logging the A, it means 2 values. No? So it's yeah, it's 2 value 2.
I'll make it easy for you. Both will be object. Both will be an object. So I need you to focus on like the second step and third step. So in the second step, you are like copying an object, right?
Yes.
So there are like some special mechanisms when we are copying in JavaScript. So I wanted to get your opinion on that, like whether you are familiar that or not.
Mhm. It's not copying. It's we are assigning
Mhm.
A for B, right? It's not copying, right?
Okay, then you can run this. Let's see the output.
Okay, it should be okay.
You can clear the console. Yeah. Okay. Now you're getting the answer.
Give us a be clear and okay. X is 3, Y is 2. First answer. This is 3, Y is 2. B, X is 3, Y is 2. Okay, so as you said, this is the thing for the reassigning the X value, correct?
Yeah. So why change the A value? So A will also change, right?
A doesn't change, right?
A change to 3
Ah,
and
oh, yes, 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 yes. Uh, mm, mm, okay, no idea, but explain.
okay. So it's about like copying objects. So we have two methods, shallow copy and deep copy. Have you heard about these things?
No, no, no.
Like when we are copying, we can copy like object. So if we do this kind of a shallow copy, like if we change something in the copy, to change the original object as well, because in this case it will just create a memory reference to the original object, like both will
Mm,
change. So there's mechanism we can take a deep copy, like then we then in that case that will not affect to the other object. So maybe you can learn more about this. I'll
mm.
another. Okay, let me find something. Check the questions.
Okay,
So
that's
what
it.
will
Time.
be that?
Yes, okay. Okay, I can't tell answer for this, but what should I do?
So what will be the output? You can.
Okay, so basically, like this is the first output, and after the set timeout completed, it will show this. Sorry, this will the first output, and after this, uh, uh, give me a second, give me a second,
Sure, you can take it.
give me a second, bro. Give me a second.
Yeah.
I was thinking. Okay, this comes first, and this comes.
Can you come again?
This come first, and after set time completed, this will come.
Okay, you can copy this
Uh,
to your.
no, bro. I'm not. No. Yes, I understood, but no. It's basically it's a simple question, but to be honest, like set timeout is a simple question, but I don't know. I get confused.
Yeah. Can you explain why this happened?
Okay, so basically, the what is the purpose of the set timeout is we are just like no, after some time, so this like no, file is okay. So this is outside the set timeout. So in the sense like okay, this should come first. Okay, so inside the okay, let's say this is there outside the timeout. So this should come first, and then this will come. No, still I'm confused with this.
All right. So as I explained here, that event loops comes into this picture, right? So these set timeouts and these normal executions will go through the event loop. So from that event, so inside that event loop, we have different phases like the call stack
Yeah.
and the web APIs and micro task queue kind
Yes.
of. So you can learn about that later. Like these set timeouts and all the things going to the web API. Meanwhile, this like main function stack will like those things will call. So after the call stack
Yeah.
is empty, then we are taking these web API like set timeouts and all to the main thread. So then they will execute. That's why we
Okay.
are getting the two first, and then after that one. Okay. Uh,
Yes. Okay. So for this Taraka, like no, you can use like okay, set timer yes, but for your scenario, we can use suspense for the delay, right? So so between the gap, we can call, okay, that's something like lazy loading inside this, lazy loading for suspect. And after that, like after API completed, we can call the larger data, right?
Yeah, yeah, true, true. That's true. I just wanted to like
That
this.
is,
Yeah.
okay, correct me, right? That's correct, right?
Can you come again?
So, uh, suspense, there's suspense, and
Yeah,
we have, okay, so React lazy, so lazy loading,
yeah,
and we have the heavy components there,
yeah,
and we are calling that heavy component inside the suspend,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
and the suspend fallback will be some loading
yeah,
skeleton or something.
yeah,
Okay. So in the sense, like if you are using that thing, we don't know,
yeah,
we are not using, mostly we are not using the set timer,
yeah, yeah. In React,
correct?
like yeah, in React we are using this lazy loading and suspense fallback UIs and all.
Yes.
Yeah, correct,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah.
So to be, yeah, okay. So first you go on, Taraka, I will explain later.
So you want to like stick to this?
No, not exactly like, you are supposed to say something, right? You are about
Yeah,
to
yeah.
tell something,
Like
right?
I wanted to go to the next section since we have.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this one. So can you tell me the output?
Okay, so this is string value. This is a number value. So 1 plus 1 is equal to uh, 1 and string value. It means 11. This is 1 minus. This is also same. The first thing is a integer value, and the second is a string value. So whatever it's a 1 plus 1 means like 1 plus string value, and string value is 1. Sorry, I'm starting. Okay, 11, as I told you, 11, and this one, okay, it came 0. Mhm. Why is that? Okay, this is correct. I explained, and I don't know why it's came 0, because this is a number. And this is string value. Okay, can you explain why
Yeah,
it came 0?
with the plus. So when we are using plus inside the JavaScript, so the numbers will be
It's
translated
adding
to strings. So then it's concatenating. So two strings. So the minus the other way around, it will convert it to numbers in that case. So that's why one.
number.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 So you can check the next section there. This one. So what will be
Uh,
the output?
okay. So basically, we are checking the uh, type here, and this is type and value. Correct, right?
Yes. Yeah. So what will be the output?
Yes. That's what I see. Ah, okay. Sorry. The out. Okay. So
No
sorry.
worries. Never
Sorry.
mind.
So
You can explain what happens here.
okay. So basically, we are checking the this thing. Okay. So it's come true means like just checking the 0 and 0. If it's equal, that's it. And here we are checking the type and the value. So basically, the type is different, no? So here this is string and this is number.
All right.
I already told, right? This is I
Okay.
already told and place and
Yeah, yeah. I'll give you a similar question, so you can check
uh,
this one. So what will be the output?
this array and mm, maybe 2 and 2. We'll see. Not sure. False. Oh, because we can't assign blank arrays and blank object, right?
It's the like uh, we are comparing the value now here. So not
Yes.
assign. So
There's no value here, no?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no value. So we don't know the value is equal to not.
Yes.
Just an empty array and empty object. So yeah, then I will ask you to do some coding. So let's just okay. You can maybe in same field you can write a function. So you should take an argument as a string. So you should compare that string and return it. Like, is it a palindrome or not? You know about palindrome?
Yes.
So I will give you some examples. Like, from first to last character and last character to first
Yes.
character. This both ways we can like have the same name. Like, for example, level. So when you're reading from
Okay.
beginning to end and to the end to the beginning, it will be the same string. So basically, you need to check this string, and if it is a palindrome, you should return true. If it is not, you should return false. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So what are the palindrome? Have you shared it?
No, no. Like, so you can write the function. So
Okay.
that function you can pass any string. For example, I will pass a string as level, right? So if I pass this string as level, uh,
Eleven.
level. No, no.
Ah,
Let me send you it in the chat. So
11.
this is level. So this is a palindrome. I send you in the chat. You can check
Ah,
the chat.
okay.
So so you should take this from out of the function. Like, when we are calling the function, we can pass as an argument term. So
Yeah. Okay.
uh, yeah. So
Okay. What do you want to do?
so you should write the code to check this string is a palindrome or not.
Okay. Hmm. Still, I don't. Palindrome means like no the thing we are checking like for phone validation, email validation, that slash something like that. No.
Not really. Like here in this case, I need you to find this argument is a palindrome or not. Like, palindrome means you can uh, read this string in the same way, like from beginning to end and end to beginning. With the letters. Level is same, right? When you're reading
Yes. Yes.
from the start or from the end. So this is a palindrome. So you should, if I use your name for this string, it should not be a palindrome. It's not a palindrome, right?
Yeah.
So basically, you need to write this code logic here to find this string is a palindrome or not.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Mm, is there any specific way to find a palindrome? There is any
Mm,
keyword, right?
no,
Yes,
no
right?
keywords, no keywords. Like, I need you to think from JavaScript perspective. Like, we have some basic methods to like uh, to
Like
like
something like slice or spice, something like that, right?
yeah, true. We have those methods. So you have to do those operations for this string and find out that palindrome. Is it a palindrome or not?
Mm, no, no idea to be honest. I
So
can
okay.
do
So
the search and do, but yeah, to be honest, no
mhm.
idea.
Okay. So I will give you another question. Can you Okay, take this same example. So instead of this palindrome, you can pass your name as a string. So I need you
Okay.
to reverse this your name. I need you to reverse the string. So can you do that?
Yes. Basically, we don't need a function, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think reverse or something. Reverse. Yes, 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 yes. We'll check this, and if
Yeah,
it
yeah. You,
not
you can
work,
check the output. No issues.
there is a reverse. No, but I have done this. I have done this. I,
First, I think you can assign that to a variable. Let you have to give some variable name. First line. Let is the keyword, no? Like,
oh, sorry, 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 sorry. Those basics. Sorry, those sorry. Okay, I changed the
mm,
let to. Sorry, my mistake. It should work. It should work. Reverse. That's a key. Reverse. Reverse. That's a JavaScript keyword. Reverse. I have done this for a long time. So- Okay, anyway, so there is a key, bro. So there is a key, and we can like
okay, I'll give
I
you a
don't know why.
hint. So reverse is available for arrays. So now you can try.
Uh, no, right? I have changed a word, bro. I have changed a word.
Using
JavaScript.
reverse.
Yes, using reverse. Why it's for not only for?
Yeah, before we
Are you
can
sure?
we
Is
can
it only for array?
we can reverse this string. Like first you need to convert this to a array. Then you can reverse.
Yeah, but yeah, yes, we can. But what is the purpose to convert?
No, no,
Because
no,
we
no, no,
should
no, not
do.
like this. In the logic, first you have to the logic
Okay,
you have.
okay.
Yeah,
You mean like dot something something dot reverse,
yeah,
right?
true.
Uh,
How can we convert string to array?
uh, sorry,
How can we
string
convert
to array,
string to
right?
array? Yeah.
Maybe I don't know, bro. Maybe
Have you heard about the split method?
yes. Splitting. Yes, yes.
Okay, never mind. So I will ask some other. So can you find the factorial factorial value? Do you have about the factorial value? Like if I maybe if I said factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1, like factorial 5 is 5
Okay.
into 4 into 3 into 1, like that. So I need you to
Okay.
find this factorial value for any number as argument. I can pass any argument. So you can write a function to take one argument as a number. So that should return the factorial value of that number.
Okay. So no, bro. We'll pass the question because very complicated to be honest.
Okay, okay, okay,
And I will ask one question later.
hmm,
Like once you done the interview, we'll ask the
okay,
question because I'm confusing with a few things in an. Okay.
okay,
First
okay.
you complete.
Okay, so then let's move to some API code. So you can write, you can maybe fire an API call, so you can get the data. and you can
Mhm.
let's first console log it, and I can see the result list.
Okay, so let's say we'll take fake API. I don't know how it works in pure JavaScript, but we'll try.
So have you like what kind of libraries you have used to handle these API calls?
So normally, it's in React project, it's a different node. So we
How
are
do you?
using.
Hmm.
So it's like, if you want, I can show the code in React.
Okay, okay, okay. Then you have you used fetch method in JavaScript?
Yes, fetch is a inbuilt JavaScript
Hmm.
method, and if you are using advanced part, you can use Axios. That's the difference
Axios.
here. Yes.
So if I ask you the difference between Axios and fetch?
Axios is a library, and it's a you can use get, post, and push method very simply and effectively. And the fetch is something only to fetch the data. You can't
Okay.
do that for the post.
I used React Query.
No, bro. And obviously it's an array, so since I'm saying it's an array, and this is a API calling, so let's see. So we fetch. Okay, so these should comes. So we need to check the error handling. So this is setting that inside the try catch method. Uh, so
Maybe you can show this data inside the return so we can see it in the browser.
yes, yes, and if you want, we can add loading, set loading, and yeah, set to mm, uh, um, say okay, we say null, and so I'm setting the set codes here, and set, set error, and finally set loading false. Okay, and I'm taking that data. So there is no dependencies here, so it should mount first. So yes, it's done, and
Hmm.
now we need to call the post. So these are the structure. Ignore my these are the autocomplete thing.
Yeah.
So it's obviously for the developers. Okay, then yes, okay. Is it right?
Mhm.
Okay, so I'm calling the title here. If you want, I can call the body
No
as well.
worries. Yeah, title is enough.
Let's say, okay, file as yes.
this is Next.js project, right?
Yes, yes. Importing from that places. Okay. So, clients, clients. Yes, these are the.
Okay, okay. So can you go
Yes.
back to code? Can you go to the
So
return?
this is
Yeah.
a normal fetch method.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool.
So this is
So
a returning the value. Yep.
do you know why we are using map here?
To load the array details, it's a
Yeah.
looping method, right?
What
That
map
is a
does
design.
map is JavaScript method,
JavaScript.
right?
Yes, it's a JavaScript.
So
Yes.
what it does?
Uh, what it does means like it is mapping the array list, right? I don't know how to tell. It's a mapping the array list, right?
Mapping. Okay, then so for mapping we can use any other method as well, right? We have for each. We can like uh, another other like loops and all.
Yes, but like while or like yeah, that is yes. But
Map has a special thing in
yes,
map.
there is a special. Yes, yes. Mm, okay, I don't know the exact answer, but yes, that's a
Yeah.
special reason we are using that.
So for key, why we are using key here?
Key is a must because we need to set some unique value
Do you know why?
to. So
Why?
otherwise, like it will how to identify its unique thing. Like man, let's say we have this much uh, this much list there, and
Mhm.
we need to assign a one key value for this. Let's say like ID 192 3 4 5 6 something like that. Otherwise, it won't assign a common ID for all the list, right? So that is wrong. So that's why we are using key and assigning the ID as a key value.
Okay. Mm, all right. Okay. Okay. I think yeah. Can you go to the top level? Go above. No, in
Sorry,
the code
code.
level. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I missed this one. Yes. Okay, well, you go first.
No, no. Like I just wanted to. So okay.
So
Yeah.
basically, what we want to do is like if loading means doesn't return, we need to load. Oh, actually, we need this. And error, return error. Let's say for now it's error. So, something. Okay, we'll keep loading first. And what I uh, uh, so what I oh, uh, so what we want to do is like if, the first set timeout scenario. So in React JS, like we have a suspend tag. So in the sense like for API calling the time delay, you can use uh, suspense and inside the suspend we can call this and basically it's not correct. We need to make it as a component and we need to call it.